Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mazda CX-9 with its key. To begin, always make sure your vehicle is securely in either park or neutral. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal. With the brake pedal depressed, simply press the engine start/stop button located on your dashboard. Your Mazda CX-9 engine should then smoothly come to life, ready for your journey. This is the standard and most common way to get your vehicle running. Beyond starting the engine, your Mazda CX-9 push-button system offers different ignition modes. If you press the start button once without touching the brake pedal, you'll activate accessory power, perfect for using the radio. Pressing it a second time, still without the brake, turns the ignition to the on position. Remember to turn it off when not in use to prevent draining your vehicle's 12-volt battery. What if your key fob battery dies? Don't worry, you can still start your CX-9. First, slide out the small mechanical key hidden within your fob. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's door. Once inside, firmly depress the brake pedal. Then, touch the Mazda logo side of your key fob directly against the push-button start. Finally, press the start button to ignite the engine. To ensure reliable starting, proper key fob maintenance is essential. If your vehicle displays a key fob battery low warning, replace the battery as soon as possible. Keep your fob dry and avoid dropping it to prevent internal damage. Always have your key fob with you inside the vehicle for the push-button start system to function correctly. These simple steps help maintain optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.